Hello everyone. In this series of videos, we are going to discuss about the deep learning techniques. It is the part of the BE Computer Science and Engineering AI ML third year second semester for Usmania University. My name is PVN Balram Murthy. I'm working as the assistant professor in NGIT. I'm the Hottenwork certified professional with various international certifications. Right now, I'm working on the generative AI concepts, and I worked on data science, machine learning, deep learning, big data, and all other advanced technologies. Now, before going to the deep learning techniques, let us have a look on the current buzzword in the current market, that is generative AI. The generative AI, it deals with the generation of the objects by using the artificial intelligence. It may be the objects may be the video, or it may be the text, it may be the music, or it may be the any other image. Anything can be generated by using the artificial intelligence techniques. Let us have a look on the various technologies and fields which are related to this generative AI. First one is the big data. The handling of the large amounts of data is possible by using the big data concept. Some of the examples are the Hadoop, Google, all these are comes under the big data handling concepts. And the most important concept of this area is the artificial intelligence. It deals with the various algorithms to make the machines to think like the human. So there are various areas of the artificial intelligence. As the part of the course, we will going to discuss about all of them. And now I am going to introduce the important topics which are related to our generative AI. Machine learning is the subfield of the artificial intelligence which will provide you to predict the values based on the given input, and it can also provide you to predict on the image analysis. After image analysis, you can predict something like a flower. If you give a flower picture, whether it is the marigold or rose flower, like that, it can predict what is the kind of flower it is. Or if you give the chest x-ray image, whether the particular person is having the pneumonia or not, that can be also possible by using the machine learning. And it is for the small scale data sets, not for the large scale data sets and complex architectures. It is not having the complex architectures. Now, the next field is the neural networks. It is completely based on the mathematics, and it deals with the more complex architectures for the machine, which cannot be dealt by the machine learning. And another subfield for that is the deep learning, which is going deeper and deeper in the neural network, that is called the deep learning. This is what we are going to discuss in this course. And another subfield of this is also there. And overall, all these concepts, it comes under the data science. It is the common area for the big data, artificial intelligence, deep learning, neural networks, and also machine learning. And one more important area of the artificial intelligence, it joins with the data science, that is called the natural language processing, NLP. In that, we can go with the will deal with the languages like English or any other language. We can analyze and we can predict something. What is that we will discuss in the coming sessions. And another field which is related to the natural language processing and deep learning is called the generative AI. So if you want to go for the generative AI, you should have the knowledge on the natural language processing, deep learning, and of course, you should be aware of some of the concepts of the neural networks, machine learning, and data science, and also artificial intelligence. And as a part of your course, already you have gone through the introduction to machine learning in your 2-2, second year, second semester, and AI, in artificial intelligence, in your third year, first semester, there is one paper, artificial intelligence. In the 3-1 only, you have the SNLP, that is the speech natural language processing. In that, you learn something about the natural language processing. And in this current semester, we have the in 3-2. In 3-2, you have the extension to the introduction to machine learning paper, that is the advanced machine learning, which deals with some of the algorithms which are not covered in your introduction to machine learning concepts. And another paper which we are having in this semester is DLT, that is deep learning techniques. This is our current paper. We are going to deal with this paper in this videos. Now, let us have a look on the syllabus. The syllabus is divided into 5 units. In the first unit, we will introduce the deep learning concepts. What is the deep learning and what is the background, what is the history, and how it is related to AI, and all other concepts we will deal with the unit 1. It is a small unit. And unit 2, we will deal with the neural networks. We will introduce the neural networks and how to build the neural networks, and also what are the various concepts of the neural networks. That will be dealt with the unit 2. And unit 3, we are having the training of the neural network. How can we train the machine? How can we train the model by using the feed forward and back propagation? And also, how can we implement by using the TensorFlow? And all these concepts will be covered in the 3rd unit. And in the 4th unit, we will go with the major architectures of the deep learning, like CNN, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural networks, and also we will have some case studies also, like MNSA dataset. On different data sets, we will have the case studies. And also in the 5th unit, it is the generic way of the applications, generic way of explaining the applications of the deep learning. We will deal with the computer vision, speech recognition, natural language processing, and other applications also which can be developed on the deep learning. That will be dealt with the 5th unit. And there are 4 suggested textbooks provided, that is fundamentals of the deep learning, and deep learning with Python, and also the deep learning a practitioner's approach, and also another textbook, that is the deep learning, which was written by the Goodfellow, Ian Goodfellow. Actually, it is the standard book. 4th book is the standard book, but it is little difficult to understand. If you are interested, you can go through that book to get the main concepts of the deep learning. And of course, other books are also gives you the reasonable information. Now, these are the textbooks which I am providing, which we are providing as the links. You can directly download the textbooks from this link from my personal drive. Okay, and here in the first unit, actually, in this we are mapping the syllabus with the textbook. Actually, there are 3 textbooks: Deep Learning with Python, Manning publication, and Fundamentals of Deep Learning by O'Reilly, and Deep Learning, a Practitioner's Approach. I think it is also from the O'Reilly. So these are the 3 textbooks. You can see the numbering 1, 2, 3. And here in the unit 1, in the unit 1, we have the introduction to deep learning, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and what is the deep in the deep neural network, and also the understanding of the deep neural network, how the artificial intelligence is supporting for this. All these are covered in this. This is covered from the textbook 1 and 1.1 chapter 1.1. Okay, and unit 2 covers from 2 textbooks, 1 and 2, and chapter 3.6 from the textbook 1, and chapter 1 from the textbook 2. And in this, we are going to deal with the various layers. What is the neuron? What are the layers? What are the models? What are the loss functions? What are the optimizers? Various optimizers, and how to build the intelligent systems, and all these we will discuss. And also we will discuss about the feed-forward networks and various activation functions that we will deal in this unit. And the unit 3, it is also from the it is from the textbook number 2, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Directly you can go through those chapters. Okay, that is the training feed-forward networks and all these concepts. Training related backpropagation is included in this. This is the heart of the deep learning, and TensorFlow is also introduced, and how to build the models by using the TensorFlow was explained here. I think I want to reorder this. I want to explain this TensorFlow before the second unit, so that you can easily execute the programs. And 4th unit, we are having we are again having two textbooks. Textbook number 3, chapter 4, textbook number 2, chapter 5, which deals with the CNNs, RNN, and also some case studies. And for the fifth unit, there is no specific textbook. For that, I'm going to provide you some material, and also I'm going to cover the concepts which are related to that. So, as a part of this course, we have the lab also. The lab is designed like this. 1 and 2 programs are, total 13 programs are there. In these 13 programs, 1 and 2 programs are deals with the tensor concepts and tensor flow concept, basics of tensor flow. And the 2 and 3, they are dealing with the basic neural network, that is the artificial neural network. And 3 and 4 and 5, 4, 5 deals with the convolutional neural. It may be with the convolutional neural network, and also with the we can do it with the ANN also. And the 6, 7, 8, these three are from the RNN based programs, recurrent neural network. 9, 10, and 11, these three are from the CNN model, convolutional neural network model. They are very interesting subjects. And 12 and 13, these are very interesting, which are the stepping stones for the generative AI. So these are the programs that we are going to deal in this semester and as a part of this course. Now I have introduced the course and the textbooks and also the syllabus in this video. Thank you.